Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair fell 0.4% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 1.1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The gold-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.1% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 2.9% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Ukraine has asked its international creditors, including Western powers and the world's largest investment firms, to freeze its debt payments for 2 years so it can focus its dwindling financial resources on repelling Russia. Electric vehicle maker Tesla converted 75% of its Bitcoin holdings into fiat currency, according to an announcement made by the company on its recent earnings call. Tesla said it held $218 million worth of the cryptocurrency at the end of the second quarter. The euro jumped against the US dollar before paring gains in a choppy session on Thursday, after the European Central Bank delivered a 50 basis point rate hike to tame inflation in its first rate increase since 2011.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count will be released at 1700 hours GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions will be released at 1930 GMT. The UK's retail sales at 0600 hours GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 1930 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.